Today's Kingstonist news is brought to you by Kingston Community Credit Union. Say goodbye to bank fees and hello to fee-free banking with KCCU. I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, August 20th, 2025. Kingston City Council has voted down a housing development in Sydenham District, even though the city will almost certainly lose a developer's appeal to the Ontario Land Tribunal. At the Tuesday, August 12, 2025 meeting of Council, most councillors said that the 40-bedroom housing project at 92 Napier Street would cram too many bedrooms on the lot and will ultimately drive away families. The City of Kingston's downtown aquatic centre will be closed for the first 2 weeks of September for annual maintenance and cleaning. Artillery Park will be closed from Tuesday, September 2nd to Sunday, September 14th to allow for cleaning and maintenance work. During the shutdown, single-facility Artillery Park Aquatic Centre pass holders and FIT pass holders can access the alternative facilities. A busy stretch of one of Kingston's main traffic arteries will be closed across 5 days for the last week of August as CN Rail carries out repair work. The city advised that Bath Road will be closed between Centennial Drive and Portsmouth Avenue from 6 a.m. on Tuesday, August 26th to 6 a.m. on Saturday, August 30th. Local access will be open to residents and businesses at Armstrong and Queen Mary Roads. A collision in South Frontenac, which resulted in the temporary closure of Westport Road at Hitchinbrook Road, has police asking for the public's help. The OPP released the above image and are asking for the public's assistance to identify the people pictured. The pair were traveling in a vehicle involved in the collision and failed to remain at the scene as they fled on foot. Kingston Police are warning the public of a recent scam in the area involving fake taxi and Uber services, noting that the scams are likely to continue as students return for the school year. In many cases, the scammers will use stolen or take taxi lights and Ontario license plates. Currently, anyone who believes that they have been targeted by this type of scam is encouraged to file a police report by calling Kingston Police or go online and use the Kingston Police reporting tool. The LNA County Detachment of the OPP arrested 2 people after 2 separate collisions in as many days, police have reported. According to the LNA OPP, 55-year-old Kevin Teeple of Napanee and 61-year-old Stanley Truscott of Napanee were arrested and are both facing multiple charges. The Gord Brown Memorial Golf Tournament has set a record new fundraising goal, bringing in $277,000 for local programs that support vulnerable individuals and families. The tournament, organized by United Way Leeds in Grenville and the YMCA of Eastern Ontario, was held with the support of sponsors, golfers, and volunteers at Smuggler's Glen Golf Course in Gananoque on Thursday, August 14th. For more on these stories and other local news, visit kingstonist.com and subscribe. Use my code SARAHB2025 for 10% off.